When you are airborne, precision and reliability make a critical difference. Because when you are challenging gravity, you can't afford to have anything less than the very best. One company that understands this truth and commits itself to the constant pursuit of excellence is Samtel. Samtel Avionics is a key Indian player in high-technology avionics products, equipment and systems for commercial and military applications. The company operates in the domains of displays, built-to-print for avionics LRUs and optoelectronics. Built on a strong foundation that was laid more than 4 decades ago, Samtel draws upon its sound technological background and consolidated resources to be the pioneer and the respected name that it is today. Samtel's meteoric growth in a highly specialized and relatively demanding domain is an indicator of its state of constant dynamism. Its unique position in the rarefied segment of aerospace and avionics in India allows it the capability to effectively partner with global companies for their offset requirements. It strengthens itself constantly by acquiring new expertise through collaborations, joint ventures, and strategic alliances with leading aerospace and defense suppliers from the global arena. Design and engineering excellence has been a part of Samtel's DNA for years. At Samtel, the belief is to build quality into the products and all aspects of business processes through continuous improvement in human capabilities, machines, materials, and methods for achieving zero defects and total customer satisfaction. Samtel's highly specialized offering find applications in military aerospace, commercial aerospace, land forces, naval forces, army aviation, and naval aviation. Samtel's sophisticated avionics equipments and systems use cutting-edge technology to deliver responsive, high-performance products which operate at very high standards of reliability under extremely adverse environmental conditions. Indigenous MFDs developed by Samtel HAL display systems are being inducted on the Sukhoi 30 MKI. Samtel is instrumental in indigenizing technology, bringing in the much-needed self-reliance and sustained technological support system in Indian avionics. Samtel's infrastructure resource has been one of its greatest strengths, giving it the ability to bring to life every inspired idea. Each aspect of its infrastructural base reflects this approach. Samtel's in-house R&D is driven by competent professionals who are adept at using innovative technology, advanced materials and devices, global controls, communications and systems architecture, information and decision technology systems and software. Samtel's indigenously developed ruggedization technology helps the products meet all those standards that are required by an airborne or military platform subjected to extremely demanding conditions. Samtel has developed a unique optical bonding process by which the bonded LCD panel becomes a rugged panel and is able to withstand the harsh military environments like extreme temperature ranges, high levels of shock and vibration, high humidity levels, sunlight and nighttime readability conditions, etc. Samtel takes pride in being a company that is contributing substantially to Indian technology and in making the world take note of its niche expertise. Capitalizing on its strong experience spanning decades, tested relationships with its global partners, its vertically integrated focus, and the strength of its design and manufacturing capabilities, Samtel is truly poised to become the ideal partner for all avionics system integrators around the world. Samtel, where continued re-innovation with technology is the mantra.